Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be installing an APR Big Brake kit on our MK8 GTI. We will be installing the 380mm rotor kit and this massive 6-piston caliper to replace the 340mm rotor and factory caliper that is currently on the car. First things first, we gotta remove the wheel, disconnect the brake line so you can leak fluid all over the floor, and then remove the 2 bolts that hold the caliper to the hub. The APR Big Brake kit comes with a replacement stainless steel braided brake line, but we will be using the aftermarket brake line we already have on the car. Next, you will have to remove the torque screw that is holding the rotor to the hub and pull the rotor off. Then you'll have to remove the factory dust shield by removing the 3 torque screws holding it in place. The factory rotor and caliper weighs in at about 42 pounds per corner. 034 rotor and the factory caliper setup we currently have on the car, while lighter at 35.5 pounds, is no big brake kit. The APR kit weighs in at 35.7 pounds per side, the rotor weighing in at 23.6, and the caliper at 12.1. Compared to a factory caliper and rotor, these things pack some serious stopping power. The install of this setup is pretty much the reverse of everything we just did to remove the old stuff, aside from putting the new brackets for the much larger caliper. The brackets can be installed to the hub before the rotor or after. In our case, we installed the bracket to the caliper and slid it into place all as one piece. Once you've got everything torqued down properly, you can bleed the brakes, lower the car down, and then you're ready to drive.